Good morning. We're here outside the patio and just want to show you the Kalunay seeds. This is from last year. These are tiny black seeds. And I have a ball pen with me so you see how tiny these seeds are. They're as small as the end of a ball pen. The young flower is green, but once it matures, turns to brown. And in close, in this matured flower are probably hundreds or thousands of Kalunay seeds. We call it Kalunay, and in English it is known as Spleen Amaranth, Chinese spinach, or red spinach. And just want to show you the youngest seedlings we have. They're here, and as you can see, the leaves are reddish in color. Especially behind the leaves. And we have about 4 plastic containers in here with young Kalunay plants. They reseed every year, and they just shows up on almost every pot we have in here, and there's few more under the squash, and they're ready to be harvested. Sometimes we just let them grow, but when they're as many as this, we harvest them when they're about 2, 3, or 4 inches and saute them with other vegetables, or my mom would include them in her Ilocano dish, pinakbet, along with other vegetables like okra, eggplants, long beans. And they don't choose a spot, they just shows up everywhere. This is a planter I made from soda pop bottles, and there's young seedlings in here of Kalunay. You could see the reddish color. But as they grow, they turn completely green, just like this one here. This one still has that red color behind the leaves, but the one beside it, it's turning completely green as it grows. Also, just want to show you a young flower so you could see how it looks like. This plant is from last year. And there's more in here. About three plastic containers full of young Kalunay plants. And we already harvested from last week from this container, and now there's still more. They're ready. You could use them or cook them the way you cook spinach. And we also use this on what is that? Filipino dish, tinola. When they're this young, we usually just include the roots. And you could see there's still young ones in there. And they're not being picky with the spot. You could see there's a lot more under the sayote or chayote plant. This one grows crazy, and it's just April and almost covering the whole trellis we put up. Also, with these Kalunay plants, you could just like harvest them young, like 4 or 3 inches, and blanch them. And these are chilies in here, or sili. If you want to read more about Spleen Amaranth, Chinese spinach, red spinach, or what we call Kalunay, I have included a link on my hub or article, so just click on show more to see the link and get there. Goodbye until next time, or paalam.